touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times.
Beautiful people, and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Makaya Vanier, and I am a work from home insurance agent, and I make content about my work from home life. And yeah, I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I actually picked up the camera and filmed. It's been a minute since I uploaded a video. I actually have a video uploading now. It's just been giving me hell. But I am so excited to be back. Excuse my voice. I feel like, I don't know, my allergies and my sinuses is just not working together right now, but we're gonna get it together. It's just been super hectic, I feel like, and every time I try to upload a video, my video don't want to upload. So yeah, I have a video that's uploading now, so it will be vlog 8, and I think this vlog that I'm recording now will be vlog 10 because I still have another one to edit and upload. I'm technically like a couple weeks behind, so I'm trying to get back on track, y'all. But yeah, I just want to come on here and kick the vlog off before I start the day. I don't anticipate it to be a busy day, but I do have a networking event after work today, so I am excited to be going to that, even though I am working from home today. The event starts at like 6:30, so I'm excited for that. I may bring y'all along with me, but I don't know if I can like record in there or whatever. But yeah, I am just about to get everything set up and going for work. Fix me a cup of coffee because y'all know I can't function without it, and then go on about my day. I don't anticipate this vlog to be a long one, but you know, I gotta give the people what they want. So if you're new here, welcome. Like I said, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you're notified every time I upload. And thank y'all to all my new subscribers who just recently joined the family. We're on the road to 500 right now, and we're so close. Like, I think I need like 64 more people, so tell your friends to tell a friend to come subscribe to the channel. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get everything set up and together so I can start my day, and hopefully this week is not going to be crazy hectic like last week was. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll check in with y'all in a little while. All right, y'all, so I just clocked out for lunch. Today has been a little bit of a hectic kind of day. My very first call, this man was on 10, so it was just like, all right, is this how my day's gonna go? So yeah, I had to like recompose myself or whatever. But now it's 12:47. I'm about to eat really quick because I do have a meeting with the director of the graduate program at my school, because I'm thinking about doing the master's of the MBA program, Master's of Business Administration. So I have a meeting with them to see if I can get early admission, since your girl is almost done with the bachelor's program, so it's like only right? So I'm about to meet with them, and hopefully it goes well. I'm gonna let y'all tune in while I have that meeting, just to, I don't know, just to do it. So yeah, I'm about to make me something quick to eat, like really quick, so I can have some on my stomach. And then by the time I get done with that meeting, I should be ready to get back to work. I have about 8 cases I need to review today. Hopefully most of them I can close out. But yeah, I'm happy the day is moving kind of fast because I've been over it since like 8:35 to be honest. But yeah, let me go ahead and get something to eat real quick and then get ready for this meeting. All right, y'all, so I'm officially off work. I'm about to head to my networking event. Oh my gosh. I'm about to head to my networking event, but before I go, I wanted to do a quick outfit of the day so that y'all can see. Let me see my fit. So cardigan, I believe I got it from Shein. This bodysuit is from Fashion Nova. I've had it for years. Pants, a Shein, and then I just have on some flats. But yeah, I'm about to head out now because I don't want to be late. It's already 5:16. The event starts at 6, so yeah, I'm about to be on my way. Just wanted to check in, and then I'll check in with y'all when I get back and give y'all the spill on everything. So yeah, see y'all soon. So I am here at my networking event, and I'm actually like really like early. The event doesn't start till 6:30. I thought it started at 6, so now it's 5:45 and I'm just here in the parking lot chilling. Since I have time to kill, I was like, let me just go ahead and talk to y'all. I got some updates anyways. So earlier, as you know, I had a meeting with the director of graduate studies at my school, and your girl has early admission into the MBA program, so the Master's of Business Administration, so I can start taking my master's classes in the fall, so next semester. And so that way I will be working on my master's degree and finishing my bachelor's degree at the same time, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah, that was a good thing. But yeah, the rest of work was smooth, like no complaints, just a chill Monday. Got everything that I needed to get done. One thing I also wanted to come on here and update y'all about was I finally finished 7 Days in June. I finished it yesterday, and when I tell you 10 out of 10, like that is easily one of my favorite books now. I really enjoyed that book. I enjoyed the characters. I enjoyed, like, it was just an easy book for me to read. It's definitely one of those like I would read again, and if she makes a sequel, which I hope she does, I would read it. So yeah, but other than that, y'all, I am just chilling. Also too, like, I'm low-key kind of nervous going into this like meeting because this organization has been an organization I've been wanting to join for a really long time. So now I finally got an opportunity and I have the time to. So I'm excited to see who I can meet and just continue to build my network. Like, if you're in business or aspire to be in business in any aspect, networking is a huge part of that. So it's not about what you know, it's always about who you know. So I'm just excited to just network with a lot of other women and just see like where this connection can take me, like as far as my entrepreneurial journey or dreams that I have and things like that, as well as like academically and with the furthering of my education. So yeah, I just want to come on here and pop and do a quick update. Like I said, have plenty of time to kill, so I will check in with y'all when I get back home, and yeah, let y'all know how everything. Right, hey y'all, I am back. I've been home for about 30 minutes or so now, so that's why I've changed. But everything went really well. I'm very excited about the opportunities that this particular organization can offer me. So everything was good. Like, it was better than expected. But yeah, I'm just hopping on here to close out this week's vlog. So thank y'all so much for tuning in, and thank you for rocking with me. Again, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you're notified every single time I upload, which is every week, child, if my computer allows me to. But yep, I just want to come on here and close out the vlog, let y'all know that I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are great, and I hope y'all have a great week and y'all are blessed. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you.
Too many hoes. I can't hang you. You like to put that shit in your nose.